Whenever we want to search something, let's say private, what we all do? We open the browser, we hit the incognito or private mode and instantly feel, oh, now I am safe. No one is watching what I am doing. But here's the problem, your private browser is not that private.
Cost services in exchange for our private data.
In this video, we will break down what really Incognito does, how your data still leaks, and what you can do to protect yourself online. Let's be honest, most of us think the moment we turn on the Incognito mode, our search history is hidden, our searches are secrets, no websites can track us, even big tech and office network can't see anything. Basically, we feel like we have put on an invisibility cloak. But in reality, the private mode does much lesser than what it really does. When you close the windows, it is not going to save your history, cookies, or any data on your device. That's it. It is not going to hide you from the website, Google advertisement, internet provider, or browsing company itself. Let me tell you a real story. A while back, Google has hit with a huge lawsuit case over a Chrome incognito mode. People claim that even in incognito, Google was still collecting the data, what they are doing. But how is that possible? Because millions of websites use things like Google Ads and Google Analytics in their background, and still if you are thinking I am in private mode, still these tools can see your IP address, on which website you are, what is your browsing history, on what you clicked. User honestly believe when I am incognito, Google can't see anything. But in legal documents, Google has claimed by own words, incognito doesn't mean invisible. That one line explains a lot. It means your local history might be clean, but the companies can see on another side of the screen what you are really doing. Let me simplify this. Whenever you open a private mode or incognito tab, your browser is saying, I'm not going to save your browsing history, any cookies or any other data on your device. But the actual journey of your data doesn't change. Your data still goes to the Wi-Fi or mobile networks, then internet provider, then to the websites. Private mode is like cleaning your call log from your phone. Your phone might be cleaned, but your mobile company still knows in which number and when you called. Same thing happened with the browsing. Even in private mode, website can still see your IP address. They can still build a profile from your device, detail and behavior. Your internet provider can still see which website you visit. And if you log in into something like Google, Facebook, Amazon, they can connect your activity directly to a real account. So the private mode actually protects you from the people who might check your device after you, like your family, like your friends. It doesn't protect you from the systems and the companies you connect. There is something bit scary. Experts who investigate the cybercrime, while they are investigating different browsers, they found bits of information from so-called private session. But why actually this is happening? Sometimes the browser crashes and leaves temporary files behind. Sometimes the system stores the logs and memory snapshots. Sometimes extensions misbehave and leak data. On top of that, if your browser syncs your history to an online account like Google, Microsoft, Apple, then your history isn't just on your device. It's also on your cloud. So the idea private mode is equal to zero trace is just not true. These are the short list. You will know from which activities which your data is being leaked. So the actual truth is private mode hides you with someone from later who is going to open your laptop, not from the outside world. That's why we professionals use GoLogin, a powerful anti-detection browser built for real online freedom. With GoLogin, you can gain unblock geo-restricted websites and services from anywhere in the world. Stay private online by stopping tracking and browsing fingerprint. Manage multiple accounts safely with isolated browser profile. And work securely with teams without sharing password. Avoid IP bans and account linking. And get 2 GB of free residential proxies, including for fast, reliable and across the whole worldwide. If you want true privacy, secure, multi-account management and full freedom on internet, try GoLogin today. You can download GoLogin, link in my description box. If you will use my promo code AIWorldX, you will get some discount. Let's get back to the topic. Now to be fair, incognito mode is not useless, it's just misunderstood. And here what is good for: using a shared or a public computer without leaving your accounts and history behind. Quickly signing into your second account without logging out of your main account. Doing surprise shopping or planning something you don't want in your normal history or recommendation. So the right way to think about it is private mode is equal to local privacy, not the anonymity on the internet. So okay, if private modes are not enough, then what we can do? So here are some practical steps you can do with yourself. Use a good VPN, because a good VPN will encrypt and hide your IP address when someone is trying to track your IP address. Use more privacy friendly browsers and search engines. Clean up your extensions. Uninstall all the extension which is not relevant. Don't allow any extensions to run in a private mode or incognito tab. You can turn off your history for more sensitive browsing. Use a different profile or a completely different browser for the private task. Be extra careful for the truly sensitive data. So next time when you open an incognito mode, you feels like I am disappear, just remember these things. Incognito is like wiping your own fingerprint off on your device. It hides your activity from people around you, but not from the website, the networks, and not the advertisers. Because online privacy is not a button you click once, it's a habit you build over a time. So keep growing with me, keep watching me, and keep subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. For today, this was one.